Hi guys, Eden here of Lang Recipes, and for today, magluluto ako ng kinamatisang kabayas or kabayas, kung ano man ang tawag or pronunciation sa isda na to. But typically, you can use any kind of fish for this kind of recipe or dish, and napakadali, napakasimple, at mura din naman ang mga ingredients. So, here are the ingredients. So if you want to know how to cook this dish, please watch till the end of this video. But before that, please subscribe to my channel, guys. Try ko lang recipes for more fish recipes. And paklik na din notification bell na yan para ma-notified ka kapag may bagong upload na video. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share this video as well to your friends and family. And let me know what you think about this dish or this recipe. So without further ado, simulan natin lutuin itong kinamatisang kabayas.